The 2025 Ferrari Roma is here, and it's redefining what a modern Grand Tourer should be. With its sleek and timeless design, Ferrari continues to blend elegance and performance in a package that turns heads wherever it goes. The Roma carries the spirit of the brand's classic front-engine GT cars, but with the latest in technology, aerodynamics, and sheer driving pleasure. The low-slung stance, muscular fenders, and minimalist LED headlights give it a futuristic yet sophisticated appeal, ensuring it looks just as good parked outside a five-star hotel as it does tearing through winding mountain roads. The signature Ferrari grille is subtly integrated into the front fascia, while the flowing lines extend toward the sculpted rear, which features quad taillights and an active spoiler that deploys at high speeds for enhanced stability. Everything about the Roma's exterior is a work of art, carefully designed to reduce drag and maximize performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Roma is powered by a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an astonishing 612 horsepower and 561 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which ensures seamless and lightning-fast shifts. Ferrari's engineers have tuned this setup to offer both exhilarating acceleration and refined cruising, making the Roma the perfect balance between a high-performance sports car and a comfortable GT. The 0 to 60 mph sprint is achieved in just 3.2 seconds, while the top speed exceeds 190 km/h. Despite its grand touring focus, the Roma is built to perform on the track as well, thanks to its lightweight aluminum chassis and advanced suspension system that keeps the car planted even in the sharpest corners. The Ferrari Dynamic Enhancer system, along with side-slip control, allows for maximum agility and control, whether you're pushing the limits on the road or simply enjoying a spirited drive. Step inside, and the Roma continues to impress with its luxurious yet driver-focused cockpit. Ferrari has taken a minimalist approach, with a fully digital 16-inch instrument cluster and a sleek 8.4-inch vertical touchscreen at the center. The passenger even gets their own dedicated screen, enhancing the experience for both the driver and co-pilot. The Roma features premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trims throughout the cabin, creating an atmosphere of pure sophistication. The new steering wheel, inspired by Formula One, features touch-sensitive controls and Ferrari's signature Manettino dial, allowing the driver to switch between different drive modes effortlessly. The Roma isn't just about speed. It also offers comfort and convenience, with a high-end audio system, smartphone connectivity, and improved driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and parking sensors. Ferrari has also made significant advancements in aerodynamics, with the 2025 Roma incorporating active airflow management systems that improve efficiency without sacrificing performance. The active rear spoiler adjusts based on speed and driving conditions to optimize downforce, while new air intakes and diffusers contribute to better cooling and stability. The lightweight construction ensures a perfect power-to-weight ratio, making the Roma a joy to drive whether on long highway stretches or tight urban streets. With its perfect blend of Italian craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance, the 2025 Ferrari Roma continues Ferrari's legacy of producing some of the world's most desirable Grand Tourers. This car is for those who want an unmatched driving experience wrapped in pure elegance. Whether you're looking for speed, comfort, or head-turning design, the Roma delivers on all fronts, making it one of the most captivating Ferraris of the modern era. Stay tuned for more exciting car reviews here on Car Vibes.